Well, good morning. Um, this glue has had overnight to dry, so we'll go ahead and take all this tape off and see how the glue is doing. See if it did its job, which I have no doubt it did. Okay, one more piece of tape, and whoops, it's a stubborn one. Okay, that is it. Let's see the finish. I gotta refinish this thing. Anyways, that's it. I could tighten up the strings and play it, but I want to sand it, want to make it look nice, so it'll be a little while on this one yet. Okay, well that's it for this morning. Talk to you later. Let me get it cleaned off first, and then we'll make a decision on how we're going to finish it. Maybe I should do the sanding outside. It's a beautiful day out. You want to come outside? Why not, eh? It's a beautiful day. Let's go. It's such a cheap mandolin. I'm sure it didn't cost much. But it's more like it's a hobby. I'm retired anyway, so it's not like I have something I have to do. Well, I'll make it look nice anyways. Who knows, maybe somebody will want it. Somebody maybe buys it or something, then I can buy more wood and build me a new one. I got two I'm building right now. One octave mandolin and one F-style mandolin. So I decided just to refinish pretty much the whole thing. So I just got to take off all the hardware and tape it up so I don't lose anything. Then I'll clean up these old tuners. Oops. Good. There's a lot of animals up here. Crickets, crows, fox, deer, coyotes, rabbits. Oh my God, the rabbits, they demolished my garden. I had to build a fence around it. That keeps them out pretty good. Squirrels, they can climb it, but well, you gotta share the food. Either that or gotta eat them. Okay, now, good luck getting these out. Oh, here we go. All right, well, you get the idea. I gotta turn this thing off. Talk to you later.